Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make YOLOv8 Aimbot. First, understand that this involves using computer vision to detect objects on your screen and then automating mouse movements. We'll cover capturing game frames, processing them with a pre-trained YOLOv8 model to identify targets, and finally, simulating input to aim and potentially fire. This process requires a solid understanding of Python programming and basic machine learning concepts. It's a complex project involving several distinct technical components. Setting up your environment is the foundational step. You'll need Python, along with machine learning libraries like PyTorch and OpenCV for image processing. The YOLOv8 library itself is crucial for object detection. For best results, especially with real-time applications, ensure you have a powerful graphics processing unit and that your software is configured to utilize it. This setup ensures your system can process video frames at a high rate, often exceeding 60 frames per second. Once your environment is ready, the core logic involves continuously capturing your screen, perhaps at 60 frames per second, and feeding these images to your YOLOv8 model. The model will output bounding boxes and confidence scores, typically above 75% for detected targets. Your targeting logic then selects a primary target, often the closest or most central, and calculates the necessary mouse movement to align the crosshair with the target center or a specific point within its bounding box. Finally, we discuss simulating mouse and keyboard inputs to control the game. Libraries like Pinput or Pyatogui can move the cursor and click, but mimicking human-like behavior is challenging. It's crucial to understand the ethical implications. Using such tools in online games violates terms of service and can lead to permanent bans. This explanation is for educational purposes only, demonstrating computer vision capabilities, and should not be used for unfair advantage in competitive environments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.